In the effort to develop the loyal wingman concept, the U.S. Air Force is studying numerous concepts that could eventually lead to a platform, or platforms, to fulfill its requirement for the collaborative combat aircraft portion of its next-generation air dominance program. Let's examine one of these loyal wingman designs today as the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie takes flight. Coming up next, on the Stealth Channel. The Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie is an experimental stealthy unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed and built by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions under the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory's project portfolio for the Low-Cost Attritable Aircraft Technology, or LCAT, and was initially assigned the designation of XQ-222. The LCAT's program objectives include designing and building unmanned combat aerial vehicles faster by developing better design tools and maturing and using commercial manufacturing processes to reduce production time and cost. The XQ-58 is designed to act as a loyal wingman that is controlled by a parent aircraft to accomplish tasks such as scouting, defensive fire, or absorbing enemy fire. It features stealth technology with a trapezoidal fuselage with a chined edge, V-tail, and an S-shaped air intake. The XQ-58 can operate as part of a swarm of drones, with or without direct pilot control. The XQ-58 can make conventional takeoffs and landings or be launched from nondescript launch modules such as support ships, shipping containers, and semi-trailer trucks. The first flight of the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie took place on March 5, 2019 at the Yuma Proving Ground in Arizona, about 2.5 years after Kratos received the contract. It was launched with rocket assist from a launcher/transport trailer and landed using parachutes and airbags to cushion its impact with the ground. A total of 5 test flights were planned in 2 phases to evaluate system functionality, aerodynamic performance, and launch and recovery systems. On March 26, 2021, the XQ-58 completed its 6th test flight, opening the doors of its internal weapons bay for the first time and releasing a 27-pound Area I Altius 600 small unmanned aircraft system at the Yuma Proving Ground in Arizona. On July 23, 2020, the U.S. Air Force gave contracts to Kratos, Boeing, Northrop Grumman, and General Atomics to compete for the Skyborg program, an effort to field an unmanned wingman for manned fighters at a price that makes it somewhat expendable. After Northrop was eliminated on December 7, 2020, Kratos, Boeing, and General Atomics delivered their entries by May 2021 for flight tests in July 2021. In August 2021, Kratos and General Atomics were both awarded additional contract options to develop Skyborg Vanguard. After the completion of U.S. Air Force flight testing, the XQ-58 was retired and put on display at the National Museum of the United States Air Force in Dayton, Ohio on October 1, 2022. In December 2022, the U.S. Marine Corps purchased 2 examples of the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie as part of ongoing USMC efforts to look at future autonomous, collaborative platforms and is not tied to the Next Generation Air Dominance Program or any other Air Force or Navy program. The Marine Corps' XQ-58s are intended to fill the electronic warfare role. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the Kratos X-58 Valkyrie Loyal Wingman drone. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment to help this channel grow, and thanks for watching.